The EE House, located in Lam Play Mat, Thailand, designed by WOS Architects, is a single-story residence for an elderly retiree. The design harmonizes living with family gatherings, bridging indoor and outdoor spaces for communal activities. The residence's facade reflects a traditional farm style, with clusters of buildings enclosing expansive living areas. The volumes are arranged to flow into each other, breaking away from hierarchical layouts. The structure utilizes reinforced concrete, with steel I-beams supporting roofing systems and organizing electrical, ventilation, and CCTV lines. These technical elements are exposed, contributing to the aesthetic. The house is divided into 4 main areas: a private living section with a bedroom, bathroom, and compact kitchen, an open-plan balcony with kitchen and dining space for gatherings, a landscaped garden, and utility spaces including parking and storage. Natural light is maximized through large windows and sliding doors that open fully, connecting the interior to the garden. Artificial lighting is provided by modern fixtures that complement the minimalist design. The construction features concrete, steel, and wood, combined with natural finishes such as ceramic tiles. The palette is neutral with a focus on durability and ease of maintenance. Interior spaces are minimal yet functional, with built-in furniture like L-shaped seating that transitions from the living room to the bedroom. The decor emphasizes clean lines and comfort, creating a serene atmosphere. The landscaping integrates the home with nature. A garden acts as an extension of the interior, framed by low walls and beams that connect the living areas to the outdoors. The garden also serves as a visual and functional link to the neighboring family home. E-House balances the needs of privacy and family interaction through a thoughtful design that embraces open spaces, natural light, and a seamless connection to the outdoors. The house is a perfect retreat for aging in place while staying closely connected with loved ones.